Now, if you are an advanced user and want to push the limits, then this section is for you. The most searched question about these SSD cards is, can we record non-ProRes normal videos to SSD card on iPhones? And can we record any videos from Android phones directly to SSD card? The answer is no, by default or out of the box. However, for iPhone to record even non-ProRes videos like usual 4K or full HD videos to SSD card, you need to download a third-party camera app. One very popular app I use is Blackmagic Cam. This is available for free in App Store. Download the app, go to settings and scroll all the way down to media and select save clips to. Navigate to your desired folder in Files app and select. Now all the video formats that you record will be saved into the SSD card directly by default. There is a catch here. Once you disconnect the SSD and reconnect, the setting will be reset back to in-app. So you need to change it every time before starting the recording. And yes, as you rightly noticed, you can program this Blackmagic app to your camera control. So by pressing it, you can directly launch it. Samsung phones, you can record any videos to SSD card. For that, you need to download an additional app from Samsung Store. If you are a tech enthusiast, you will know Good Lock Labs from Samsung devices. Yes, the Good Locks, our good old savior. In the Samsung Store, search for Camera Assist and install the app. Once you open the app, it gives you many customization options. Scroll down and enable Save Videos to External Storage. Bingo! Now you're all set. No matter how many times you reconnect your SSD, this setting will be retained. So as you can see, by default, the videos will be recorded to USB drive. Now you can record and go back to my previous section on file transfer methods and play around as you like. If you want even more flexibility, then you can download Blackmagic Camera app even for Android and follow the same method mentioned for iPhones.